Ethereum explicitly is a highest-level mineable coin with the ticker ETH that has a kind of present worth of $1,876.23 and a market capitalization of $225,511,127,36 in a bit and large significant manner. Digital currencies fundamentally have most certainly lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. These days, it's a resource class that generally is significantly managed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate. Or so they for the most part thought. Some huge venture banks even especially get Ethereum and really other digital currencies as a group to safeguard their resources under administration, against the dashing expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors, which in every practical sense, is genuinely critical. Presently, now is the ideal time to especially uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ETH market that truly depend on the readings of our in every practical sense, one-of-a-kind crypto unpredictability record that in a real sense assists us with measuring the market opinion and, for the most part, expect where in which the market means to go, which generally is very critical. At this point, the cost of Ethereum most certainly is $1,876.23. While the coin as of now winds up at second spot in the general positioning in an extremely significant manner, the set in every practical sense positioning basically is assessed based on the resource's fundamentally present value that in a real sense is duplicated by its genuinely current market capitalization, a recipe that especially is applied all through every single monetary market, which basically is genuinely critical. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients generally get the most applicable information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, which truly is genuinely critical. It's likewise essential to consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in and in every practical sense. Way. The examination of market capitalization sort of conveys in every practical sense equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors, or so they most certainly thought. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology especially is utilized to fundamentally decide the general position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks. For example, exceptionally further appearance how it's likewise vital to truly consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading, which is very critical. Changes in market capitalization, most certainly sure or sort of negative, are additionally demonstrative of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resource's really potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both pretty short and by and large long-haul viewpoints, or so they sort of thought. This truly specific truly metric by and large is additionally used to check the predominance of Ethereum, corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, which for the most part is very critical. To by and large decide the especially current market capitalization of ETH, we duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will essentially be especially made sense of later by the for the most part present worth of the digital money under survey in a significant manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum remains at $225,511,127,36, which frames the reason for truly present positioning, certainly was referenced before in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on June 23, ETH for the most part had a market capitalization of $225,100,120,587. Which shows that it's likewise vital to basically consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course in an unobtrusive manner. Keep going week. On June 17, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to by and large was recorded at $206,370,222,825 in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on May 24, the market worth of Ethereum basically was surveyed to especially be $216,536,330,525, or so the by and large thought. However, while the market capitalization offers a reasonable sign of the notoriety and the predominance of Ethereum, it doesn't generally especially correspond with the created exchanging volume inside a similar market, which generally is likewise consistently calculated in, while making the sweeping cost expectation in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. In contrast to that of stocks, the capitalization of digital currencies, including that of ETH, could explicitly be mutilated by the sporadically large number of exchanges that could happen on the organization for various reasons, incorporating fundamentally hacking endeavors in an exceptionally enormous manner. A huge spike in such exchanges frequently applies an in every practical sense direct effect on the cost of the hidden computerized resource and could bring about an unwarranted increment of market capitalization that gives financial backers who are observing the market a buy and large off-base thought regarding the certifiable worth of the cryptographic money in an unpretentious manner. That is the reason it's of for the most part colossal significance to focus on past information and cease from engaging with the market that features the jogging market capitalization, as they really are frequently inclined to controls that could by and large negatively affect the exhibition of one's portfolio in a for the most part enormous manner. Complete stock considers the quantity of coins that basically have previously been delivered by different means, for example through mining in a genuinely large way. These digital currencies can explicitly be utilized either for kind of dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers. This genuinely metric additionally calculates the coins that fundamentally have been transitioned away from through the interaction called consuming, which basically is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the complete stock of Ethereum generally is laid out at 120,193,579 ETH in an unobtrusive manner. Finally, the flowing stockpile truly is utilized to work out the market capitalization and especially evaluate the coins truly current remaining in the positions, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. It means the general measure of ETH that in every practical sense is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that certainly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large in every practical sense accepted that digital currencies that explicitly have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million certainly are the most reasonable for long-haul speculation, since they are generally genuinely liable to see the value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, which is genuinely huge. At this point, Ethereum has a coursing supply of 193,579 coins, which sort of is genuinely critical. Over the kind of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the place of $7,119,315,997, which basically is very critical. Yesterday, on June 23, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame truly remained at $8,480 when 210,300 in every way that really matters, large way. 7 days prior, on June 17, how much ETH that really was traded between market members sort of was assessed at $6,280 when 823,047. Presently especially comes an opportunity to buy in large makes